Hello, this is the lovely Bree. And fam.
And then we're gonna, for this problem number 17, to help us review in the final, we're looking for something called an x-intercept and y-intercept. I know we heard that for so many years, but
what is it?
What is it? For the x-intercept, for example, on the nice problem on 17 here, it's giving us a positive curve that running upward that way. So the x-intercept are the 2 points that hit the x-line. And the point that hit the y-line, we call it the y-intercept. So the question asking us is to find those 3 points. Okay, so Bray, in order to find the y-intercept, what we wanted to do is that at that point, we don't know what y is, but I know x has to go 0. I know this point here, I don't know what x is, but I do know that y has to be 0. And this point here, whatever x and y, x is, 0. Y is 0. Okay. So then at least we know where we're heading. And those of you can use the method of elimination at that point. Okay, so fam is writing it down. Instead of x, we'll write it y. So here you go. I mean, x is 0, y is something.
There we go. Okay. That looks better.
All right, so let's look for the y-intercept first. X goes 0, and we're looking for that number. So let's go with what's given on our equation. Y equal to
0.
Okay, good. X is 0 square minus 5.
0 plus 4.
Okay, so y is equal to 4. We found our first intercept. That's called the y-intercept. So now we're going to go with the x. So what do we need to do?
Let's set y to 0 then.
So y to 0. X squared minus 5x plus 4. And then guess what we have to do?
I have a feeling we're doing some factoring.
I bet, yes, it is.
Yeah.
So x and x, and 2 numbers that multiply to get 4 and add to get negative 4. So
4 and 1.
Negative 4, negative 1. Don't forget the negatives. Set it equal to 0, so 0 product properties.
X minus 4 equals 0, then x minus 1 equals 0. And then going back to what Fam was doing on the left, plus 4, yeah, and then plus positive 1.
So therefore, we know the positive 1. So the graph that I drew earlier, missed it by a point. So over here, the
4.
point we found is 4. And then I bet, see, if I could, we're going to go ahead and move this line here over to the left a little bit, but oh well. That will be a 1. So there's your answer.
We were close, fam.
Yeah,
we were
good
close.
guess, good guess. All right, so I would say the matching up answer is
B.